Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are doing my June 2021 Vegancuts unbagging. As I've mentioned before, we also get the snack box. So this doesn't come in its own little box because they tuck it into the snack box to save on shipping and packaging, which is really nice. Here is our card for this month. This box supports Joey and friends at Flare Oaks Rescue in Rutherford County, North Carolina. Look at that cute little bunny. Super cute. Looks like we are getting 4 products this month. And we are celebrating Black beauty entrepreneurs, which is fantastic. So let's bust into this pouch here and pull everything out so I don't have to keep digging in here. Oh, we've got another pouch in a pouch. So let's start with this last product I pulled out. This is Organic Bath Co. Naked Fragrance Free Body Butter. So here's what it looks like. You know, if my camera would focus. There we go. Like the neutral packaging, really cute. Let's open it up. Definitely fragrance free, not a scent to be found. It is a harder body butter, so it's one you're gonna have to warm up to get in there and get some of the product out. It feels really nice though. It feels delightful actually. So let me read to you about this product. This is a $10 value, so that's a decent price actually. And it says a decadent blend of 100% organic ingredients, handcrafted in small batches, shea butter and Moroccan argan, heal irritated, it'd be nice if I could read, right? Heal irritation and leave skin soft and dewy all day long. Massage on hands and body until fully absorbed. So that actually sounds really interesting. I think this is something I'm gonna end up liking, but we'll have to see obviously, but I'm very excited about that product. The next thing we have here is a dropper bottle. This is the charcoal infused Dirt Don't Hurt Tooth and Gum Oil. So like a toothpaste but in oil form? That's kind of strange. There we go. You can see it's very liquidy. Let's read about that. So this is a $30 value. This is the most expensive item in the box this month. And I mean, that's cool. An antibacterial mixture that freshens breath and helps balance the pH levels. For overall oral health, place 2 drops directly onto toothbrush and brush as usual. So it is kind of a toothpaste alternative. For mouth rinse, place 2 drops in mouth after eating, drinking. No need to rinse with water. So I definitely have issues with ingesting charcoal as a person that takes birth control pills every day. So just be mindful of that. Ingesting charcoal can mess with your medication regardless of what type of medication it is. It can end up causing the medication to not be absorbed properly into your body. So I would not recommend this as a mouth rinse that you don't spit out if you are someone that takes a daily medication. But that being said, or even if you take vitamins or anything, like it'll leach out everything. That said, it's interesting as a toothpaste alternative concept. I'll have to give that a try and see how I like that. I'm very curious to see how that works. But overall, I am kind of tired of getting charcoal toothpaste products in boxes. If they could just send regular toothpaste products, that'd be great. Like the, what is that little brand that I just got in another box? But like that. Regular toothpaste products would be nice because I don't use these every day. They could be sensitizing. Like I said, you don't want to ingest too much charcoal. So I could do without a ton of these. It'd be nice if this was the last one for a while, but it is a cool, different product format that I'm interested in trying out. So I'm not like wowed by that, but I am curious. Very curious. The next item is from Piper Y. I think that's how you say it. It is an underarm oil, tea tree, chamomile, and ginger. I have to tell you, I've never heard of an underarm oil, and I am super curious what that is. There's lots of like alternative type things. Like body butter is actually really, really stiff. Probably needs to be warmed with the hands. This is definitely an alternative form factor. Underarm oil, definitely different than anything I've seen or heard of before. So let's read about this. This is a $16 value, so you must only need a little bit because that's kind of pricey. The fast absorbing daily spa underarm oil is a nourishing blend of essential oils with antibacterial properties that help prevent irritation, ingrown hairs, and razor burn. Can be worn alone or as a base to enhance your favorite deodorant. Massage 2 to 3 drops into the armpit before bed daily and followed by deodorant. Oh, before bed or daily, so I guess in the daytime, followed by deodorant if desired. So I'm very curious about this. I don't generally love the ones you have to like scoop in your hand and massage into the pit. Like, I don't want to touch my pits. I don't know. I know it's my body, but like also, I don't know. I don't want to be in there. But I'm going to give it a try and we'll see how it goes. It's another one I'm very curious about. Then we have this little pouch as our last product. Let's see, we've got a label, we've got product, and we've got something else in here. A scoop, a little scoopy spatula type thing. So this is the Fresh Face Intense Moisture Balm from Elements of Allele. Is that what the brand is? Allele. Yeah. So this is a $12.50 value. Here's what the product looks like. It's just in a little jar. And so the description is, vitamin rich and full of essential fatty acids, this 5-ingredient formula tackles dullness, dryness, and leaves skin refreshed and hydrated. Can be used as a cleansing balm, a makeup remover, and a night/daytime moisturizer. Gently massage balm into skin until absorbed. Oh, we are not focused on me at all, are we? So that is a very multi-use product. It looks like it is definitely one that you're going to need to warm with your hands. As you could see, it's a little cold in my room and it has all solidified on one side. But I don't have a problem with warming things up with my hands, so that's not an issue. Since this is something that they are saying you should use as a moisturizer, which is a leave-on product, I want to look at the ingredients. So we have shea butter, rosehip seed oil, grape seed oil, jojoba seed oil, and safflower seed oil. So all that sounds fine, actually. I would say some of those might be congestion causing if you have particularly sensitive skin. I don't. My skin can tend to handle a lot of thick, nourishing oils, so my skin just doesn't like fragrance or alcohol, so that's why I'm particularly like sticklery about it. But thicker oils tend to be all right. I don't know if I want to use something this thick as a moisturizer, but I guess I'll give it a try because I haven't been wearing makeup a lot, so it's not like I'm really going through oil cleansers right now. But you know, maybe I'll try it all the ways that it says and we'll see how it goes. I also like that it does come with a little scoopula, but I don't know how necessary it is because it's not like it's super hard or anything. It's pretty gelatinous. You can get it up easily. I guess that does assist with it staying hygienic though, so it's nice. Overall, I would say this is a pretty good box. I'm not like, oh, this box, but I am excited to try all of these things. I appreciate that the things that go on your face don't have terrible ingredients, and I am quite pleased. So if you enjoyed this video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. what did you think of the Vegancuts box? And yeah, I'll talk to you all later. Bye.